So, spiritual transformation is a fundamental change in your sacred life. Ken Wilber, American theorist and transpersonal psychologist, defines spiritual transformation as cleaning up, waking up, growing up, and showing up. To break that down even further, there are several steps to spiritual transformation. The question is, would you like to experience a spiritual transformation, or perhaps you already are in the middle of a spiritual transformation? These are signs that that's happening in your world. First, if you would like to experience a transformation, identify your goals and see what it is that you would like to create or change in your world. Spiritual transformation will actually help you visualize your own goals, and therefore you will attract that intention or action to you. Through spiritual transformation, you will be able to go within and make a plan to create new projects or new ideas and put them into action. I mean, you know that closet or that cabinet or drawer that you really want to paint or clean out or move? If you suddenly jump up and have the strong urge to do it right now, you might be in the middle of having a spiritual transformation. Through spiritual transformation, you can overcome challenges that might have plagued your life for years. Remember, focus on what you want, not what you don't want. You may suddenly feel an overwhelming urge to celebrate other people's successes. You revel in something extraordinary that someone else has done, a sign of spiritual transformation. The ego becomes less prevalent, and you begin searching for something that you take deep inside. You hear maybe of a vision quest where you go out into the woods and spend a few days, have no food, and stay all alone and commune with nature. And you feel like you just simply have to do that. A spiritual transformation is happening in your world if that happens. Ken said, cleaning up. Clear out old patterns or habits that no longer serve. Waking up. Having the awareness that a transformational life occurrence is happening in your world. Growing up. Ask yourself, what are your choices and what can you learn from them? And showing up. Being present with your life, your choices, and then stepping in with both feet. That is a spiritual transformation. See you next week. Namaste, y'all.